In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Beanstack and show you how to log your reading, check out a reading list challenge, view the friends and leaderboards, and view your streaks. Please note that I'm already logged in as a student. When you first log in, you'll be brought to your challenges page, where you'll see all of the current challenges available to you. You'll also see your current reading streak of consecutive logged days at the top of the page. First, let's check out the challenge by clicking anywhere on the challenge card. Here on the challenge overview page, you will see the themed challenge banner, the challenge description, and how much progress you have made towards your challenge logging goals. If you click over to badges, you'll be able to quickly see which badges you've earned and what's next. Badges that you've earned will show in full color with a green circle and check mark. Badges that you haven't earned yet will show in grayscale. Let's log some reading to earn our next logging badge. To do this, click the Log Reading button in the top left corner of the page. If you're reading right now, click Start a Reading Timer to start a timer right here in your browser. When you finish reading, you'll click the Done on the timer, and the amount of time you read will automatically populate in the minutes field on the logging form. If you're logging a past reading session, click Log Minutes. First, confirm the date for which you'd like to log. Note that the system defaults to today's date, but you can select any day in the past to backdate your reading. The blue dots show you at a glance other days this month that you've logged. Then enter the title of the book you've read. If you have the book with you, you can choose to scan the book's ISBN to automatically pull in the title and author information. Simply click this Scan Your ISBN Barcode button and hold the barcode up to your camera to pull in the title. If you don't have the book with you, simply start typing the name of the book into the title field. If you don't have the book with you, simply start typing the name of the book into the title field. As you type, you'll see some options pop up. When you see the one that matches the book you are reading, click on it to have the title autocomplete and pull in the author. If you don't see the right one pop up, that's okay, just keep typing. Next, enter your time spent reading. If you had used the timer, this is the section that would have populated. Since we didn't use the timer here, we'll enter 30 minutes by typing in 30. Finally, click Log Reading. If you've logged enough reading to earn your next badge, you'll see it pop up here. If you go back to your badges page, you'll now see this badge in full color. Now let's check out a reading list challenge. A reading list challenge is a reading challenge in which you have to log specific titles. If you have your state's book list challenge available, it is set up as a reading list challenge. To do this, click the Log Reading button at the top left corner of the page. Then click on the reading list challenge card. Find the title of the book you are reading in the list provided. Click on the title and then click the Log Reading modal. Next, enter your time spent reading. You can also start the timer here. If you had used the timer, this is the section that would have populated. Since we didn't use the timer, we'll enter 30 minutes by typing 30. If you've completed the title, use the toggle under Did You Finish the Book to mark the book as complete. You will notice it change to green once you've marked it. Then you'll click Log Reading. Your minutes will then be logged for that specific title. You will also receive a congratulatory title completion notification once you have completed a book. Now let's check out the Friends tab. When you click the Friends tab, you'll be able to take a more detailed look at Friends and leaderboards. First, let's explore Friends. In the Friends tab, you can see all of your accepted friends, followed by any that would have any pending invitations. Once someone is a confirmed friend, you can click on their profile, where you can see their last 4 earned badges and how many minutes or other log types they've logged in Beanstack. You can also see which challenges they are participating in, and most interestingly, what books they have been reading. When someone has invited you to be friends on Beanstack, you'll see this banner on your homepage and here in the Friends tab. You can click to view the request and to either accept or decline. If you decline, they will not be able to see your reading log details via a profile card. I'll go ahead and accept Agnes's request. Let's take a quick look at how to invite someone to connect and be friends. Click the Invite Friends button and then begin to type a student's name. Once you find the person you're looking for, you'll click their name and then click Invite Friend. You can continue to add friends by clicking Send Another, and when you're done, click Close. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to see the details on their profile card and where they rank on the leaderboard. Speaking of leaderboards, let's check that out. This page shows how much reading you and your friends have logged over a certain period of time. You can view leaderboard stats for either this week or the past 30 days. You can remove a friend at any time by returning to the Friends tab and then clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the profile card. You could then select Remove Friend. Once confirmed, you will no longer be able to see each other's reading activity on their friend card or their stats in the leaderboard. And finally, let's take a look at our streak. When you click over to the Reading Log tab, you will see a Streaks tab. Streaks track a reader's consecutive days of logging. For each day in a row you log your reading, your streak grows. Keep in mind that writing reviews or completing activities will not add to your streak, as only logged reading counts. Streaks take into account backdated reading too, as long as the log dates in the streaks are uninterrupted. That means if you forget to log your reading yesterday, you can go in and log it today, but select yesterday's date. After clicking Log, the streak will be back in action. And that is how you log your reading, check out a reading list challenge, view the friends and leaderboards, and view your streak. Thanks for watching and keep reading.